Hey there, it's Ashley and I'm here with Jesse, who's with JLD Construction. He has been stepping in as our interim construction director at this time, and he's been working with Habitat actually for about 3 years. But we are super grateful to have him here, and he's just going to tell us a little bit about what's going on here at the Roberts family home.
All right, so we are really close to being finished. I say about 2 weeks. The plumbers are coming in to finish their final everything that they need to finish up. After that, we have a little bit of baseboard that needs touched up and cleaning up. I'd say about 2 weeks. Final inspection, and we should be done.
All right, and now we are over here at our 2025 Women Build site. We recently just had a team of leaders come out last Friday to build with us, and we've got another Women Build team today that will be building. So Jesse, do you want to tell us a little bit about what's been going on here?
All right, so we have gotten all the walls up, as you can see. There are still about 5 interior walls that need to be framed and stood. Then we will finish up the sheathing. We'll put tape on. We'll run top plates, and then we'll be ready to call in trusses.
All right, and now we're gonna go head over to our triplexes over at Moorlock Meadows, just down the street, and we'll show you guys a little bit about what's been going on over there. All right, now we're over at Moorlock Meadows with our 2 triplexes that Jesse's been working on. So do you want to tell us a little bit about what's going on here, what still needs to be done?
All right, so we are framed on triplex 1. We have subfascia and decking on. The roofers should be here at the end of the week to install the shingles. And then we will have all the other subs come in and do what they need to do, the electricians, plumbers, and that's where we're at on this one.
All right, well, cool. Well, thank you guys for tuning in, and just stay tuned for more updates next time. We appreciate it.